At the New York International Auto Show, got a good look at the new Kia EV9. New Kia EV9 is coming out in 2024 or late 2023. It's going to be a 6-passenger SUV. Plus, come in several wheel sizes, like 19, 20, and 21-inch rim sizes. On the showroom floor, it really looked good. It really had a great presence, and you can see the crowd just swarming the vehicle the entire show. It was hard to even get any footage of the vehicle without someone in it or recording it at any given time. I love the wheels there on this GT line model here. The blue really looked really good too. I'm not a big blue fan, but this blue I could probably go with. I think it's more the blue and black kind of blending together. They did a great job with the vehicle. The back end here with the really wide stance coming back along the side just really gives you a good look of the lines on the vehicle. They did a really good job designing it, so I was really impressed seeing it in person as opposed to seeing the photos online. So when it gets to your Kia dealership, you better make sure you get in to check one out. As we go inside, you see inside the interior, really high quality materials. They have like a gray glossy material there, almost like a piano black and gray, and it really looked good. I think it looks better than the piano black a lot of manufacturers have been putting into their vehicles. The seats there have a lot of configurations in order to get a good seating position. The controls on the steering wheel look really good. A lot of great options. On the dash has the ambient lighting inside. Everything looked really high quality, and hopefully all this material makes it to production. See there the dual panoramic moonroof they have inside. The Kia EV6 headrest actually transitioned over into the EV9. The rear seating was really good, looked really comfortable. Going back there to the rear seats, you'll see it has actual power seats for the rear seat. I was really surprised that the rear had power seats. I don't know what the price point for this vehicle will be, but to have powered rear seats is a pretty good option there to have for a vehicle that's possibly going to be under $50,000. Has great ambient lighting throughout the rear. As you can see, the point of view look there for the front passengers looking at the front dash. Even the third row has great space for rear passengers. I think an adult could fit back there and feel pretty comfortable. Now here they have powered sliding second row to get access to third row. The mechanism moved really slow. I'm hoping that will be sped up during the final production because this is a pre-production vehicle. But just to have power access to the rear seats, I'm really wondering what the price point for this is going to be, because most vehicles in this 40 to 50,000 price range don't have that as an option. So hopefully they can stay in that range or even below.
And as we move to the rear, you can see just how big and flat the rear compartment area can be with all seats folded. They have one touch folding for the second row. So you hit the two buttons there and it folds down the two middle rows, and then the latches, just pull the two latches there. You see I pull the latches and that folds down the third row pretty quickly and easily. And you have a completely flat, very long coniferous area in order to, store things or move things around. I really like the way it looks, nice and flat, and that was really easy to configure and put into that position in case you needed it. As we move along the side here, I was trying to get a overhead view of the panoramic moonroof. You see the actual front panel opens, slides back. I really like that. The fact that you can actually open up some of these roofs. A lot of these cars come in with full glass you can't open. Besides, the headlights are supposed to be configurable. So I'm hoping that I get a chance to get a hold of one of these here soon as they start hitting the dealerships. I'll definitely post a full review once I get a hold of one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.